Hi Shalu. How do you feel about making me wait for half an hour?
Chennai traffic.
Ouch. So I don't know if I have told you guys before, but my hair is actually like the most weirdest. I don't know if it falls under straight, wavy or curly because it has a potential to be all the three, okay? But I think it's somewhere between wavy and curly because on the first day my hair is pretty curly, okay? Okay, right now it's straight actually, but usually it is curly. I don't know why it's straight. And then this should be wavy, but the issue is I cannot use products for straight hair, okay? It strips all the moisture out of my hair and makes it just so dry and unhealthy, and that's what I've been doing all these years. So my mom has really curly hair, and because she has really curly hair, I started buying a lot of curly hair friendly products for her, and I started using them as well, and it looks like they go along with my hair way better than the products I've been using so far. So this Fix My Curls, this is not sponsored by the way, this leave-in cream, I got this for my mom. So I started incorporating this into my routine as well, where I just use a little bit of this cream in my damp hair before I actually blow dry it, because like I told you guys, I have sinusitis, so I need to blow dry my hair. I can't let it air dry because it takes a long time, especially once, because now my hair has become a little bit longer. So yeah, I just use this leave-in cream and it gives me like really good moisture. I don't do the curly curl method. Can you see? It's actually really straight. So yeah, even when it dries, I'll just show you how it is when it dries. So but I use all curly friendly products, and this is the only way my hair stays frizz free, and I don't use a comb. I absolutely don't use a comb. I always use my fingers to detangle, and I literally never use a comb unless like I don't know, it's just very rare. I use it like once a week or something. I never use a comb. Blow dry my hair, I use a serum for my hair, and that's it.
அப்படியே அந்த சாதத்தை மட்டும் நான் தக்காளி கொடுத்துருவேன்.